All right. This is Willoughby, and in this video, I'm going to be taking you through the insights about futures trading. All right. Now, first of all, for you to be able to master futures trading, or for you to be able to start trading in futures, you need to understand some of the key things that are associated with futures trading. Now, one of the things you need to understand is that in futures trading, we make money in two ways. Number one is we make money when the price of the coin goes up, and also when the price of the coin comes down. Now, to recall, in spot trading, we only make money when the price of the coin goes up. Anytime the price of a coin goes up, that is when we make money, as long as we have that coin in our portfolio or in our assets. But in futures, whether the coin goes up or the coin comes down, we are making money based on our what we set, what is our trading pattern. It either is a buy trade or a sell trade. All right. Now, first of all, for you to navigate through the futures trading page, I'm using Binance. I want to use Binance for this video. You can also use other exchanges out there, but for now, what I'm using is Binance and MEX exchange. Sometimes I also use BitGet. These are wallet exchanges that you can use to trade futures. You can also use Bybit as well. But let's work with Binance, since it's what I'm using to trade. Now, I have about $5 in my balance here. Now, this money is what I want to use as a practice, all right, for this trade. Yeah. Now, first of all, for you to navigate through the futures interface, you need to fund your account with the desired amount you want to use to trade. All right. So I said here that I want to use $5, you understand, as a practice, so that I can be able to make this video comfortably. Now, all you need to do is come here to your account and click on wallet. Come to wallet, click on wallet. When you click on wallet, now you tap on spot. Tap on spot. All right. Now, anytime you make a deposit, the money appears in your spot. You can see it. It appears here. Now, I want to move my money to futures, because for you to be able to trade futures, you need to have money in your futures account. Now, if I tap on futures, this is futures now. If I tap on futures, you can see that my account balance is 0. So I need to move my money to my futures account so that I can be able to trade in futures. So all I need to do is come to spot and I tap on transfer. All right, you can transfer here. Transfer. So I tap on transfer and it asks me, you can see it, USDM futures, from my spot wallet to my futures wallet, and it's USDT that is the currency. Now I want to transfer all of them. So I tap on confirm transfer. You can see transfer successful. Now if I come to futures, here, you will see that the money, my balance that was 0, it has now appeared here. Now at this point, you can now go and trade on futures. Now please note that while you are trading on futures, you trade based on the signal that is being given to you. If you are a new person, or either a new or an old person, when a signal, if you are someone that depends on signal, when signal is being given to you, trade according to what the signal says. You understand me? But if you are someone that analyzes the market on your own, I'm pretty sure that you already know how to navigate through. But for the case of those who are new to the futures trading, you need to work according to what the signal says, because signals that are being given to you most times are signals that the person that taught you how to trade, or the person that's subscribing the signal from, has carefully analyzed the market and given you that signal. So you need to follow it, so that if you are making profit, you know that you are making profit with the correct instruction. All right. So for you to now be able to trade your futures, you need to come to futures here. You can see futures below. Now when you tap on futures, you can see the futures market is similar to the spot market. It's just few differences. Now, number one, you should take note of the currency pair. Now, this is where you can be able to change your currency pair. All right, you can see it. This currently now, this market is on USD. you can tap on that CUSD and you will see other currencies that are listed in the futures market. You can even search for the ones you want. Maybe if you cannot be scrolling to look for the one you want, you can search it, all right, and you go for it. That is number one. Number two is you should this icon here, this candlestick icon here, gives you the opportunity to view the chart very well. If you tap on it, you'll be able to see the market chart. All right, you can see the chart here. Now, those people who knows how to analyze the market can easily analyze the market and make a trade from here and make a good profit from it. All right, that is another thing. Now, another thing is that you should take note of the trading mode. Now, explain this mode here. We have cross and we have isolated. Now, what does cross and isolated mean? Now, cross means that if you enter this market, let's say with $5, that is what you used to enter a market with cross, and you start running on a loss. Now, the moment the loss gets to 100%, that is minus 100%, it means that you have lost the amount of money you used to enter the market. That means that $5 you have entered, you have lost it. Now, if you're on cross mode, if you have available balance, maybe what is in your futures trading balance is $10 and you use $5 to enter. The moment you are on minus 100% loss. Now, if you go above 100% loss, the system will start collecting money from the leftover $5. That means out of your $10 that you have in your balance, you use $5 to enter the market, and you have already lost that $5 because the trade have gone up to minus 100%. Now, the moment this trade goes above 100%, it starts collecting money from the remaining $5. Now, the reason why it does that is for it to keep you in the market. Maybe for the sake of, maybe if there is a retracement, your trade will still be running. All right, but if it still run, it keeps running, and it still goes on a loss, it might eventually liquidate you. That means it might eventually wipe out all your balance. That is what cross means. Now, isolated, what does isolated mode means? Isolated mode means that if you have $10 in your account and you enter a trade with that same $10, now the moment that trade gets to 100%, which is minus 100%, loss of minus 100%, the market will close you automatically. The market closes you automatically. It will not touch the remaining $5 in your account. It will just close up, and you have lost the money there. So it's either you re-enter another trade for recovery, or you just go off the market. So that is the two differences between cross and isolated. Cross goes into your account and start deducting the remaining balance of your money, while isolated just closes the market the moment you lose 100% of the money you used to enter the market. So that is the two differences. Now we have the leverage. This is leverage. Now, leverage helps you to increase the amount of money you make, even with little amount of money. Now, leverage is just like taking loan from the market and from your exchanger or broker for you to be able to fund your trade. Now, let's say you enter a trade with $5. You understand me? You enter a trade with $5. Now, if you are making a profit of 10%, 10% of $5 is about $0.5. You understand me? It's about $0.5. Now, if you are on a leverage, let's say a 50x leverage, 50x leverage means that your $5 used to enter that trade, you have multiplied it by 50 times. So 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 100 is 500. So when you say 50 times, it means that you have multiplied your money to $250. So it will be fast and easy for you to be able to make profits in a short period of time. You understand? Now, the same way leverage helps you to make huge profit, that is the same way leverage also helps you to lose very quick. While you are making profit fast, you also lose fast when the market is going against you with leverage. So it is always advisable that you use a low leverage so that it will reduce the way you lose money if the market is going against you so quick. You understand me? Now the recommended leverage is between 5x to 30x. That is always the advisable leverage as someone that is a newbie. When you understand the market movement very well, you can be able to increase your leverage even as high as 100x, even 125x. But as a newbie, someone that is trying to understand the market, it's advisable that you use between 5x to 30x. All right, that is for leverage. Now we have the mode, the asset mode. Remember, this one is the margin mode, cost and accelerator. I've explained it. Sorry. Now we have the asset mode. We have the single mode. You understand me? And we also have the multi mode. You understand me? But most traders always use the single mode. Now we have the market pattern. The market pattern. Are you entering on a limit trade or market trade, stop limits, and the rest of them? I believe before getting to the point of this video, you must have understand limit. Limit is that you are entering the market at a particular point. You understand me? When the market has not gotten to that point, but you are entering ahead of the market, so that the moment the market gets to that point, whether you are online or not, the system automatically puts you in the market. That is for limit. We have market order. Now, market order helps you for instant execution. It puts you in the market instantly. Now, most of the times, traders uses market order. Especially me, I always use market order. I hardly use limit. I use market order because I like entering the market immediately and I make what I want to make from it. So, I'll be doing some practicals here in this trade so that we can be able to get familiar with it. I'll be looking for some token that I can be able to trade on. You understand me? Now, let me also explain some part for us. Now, we have the TP and stop loss. You can see TP/SL. When you tap on it, you can be able to set your TP. You can also set your stop loss. All these things will be given in the signal that is provided for you. All right. Now, we have the buy long, the buy or the short. Now, buy/long is if you want to enter the market on a long. Why sell/short is if you are entering the market on a sell. You understand me? That is it. So let's see if we can be able to place some trade. Let me look for a trade I want to place. All right. Okay. Let me look for a signal in my group. Let me look for a signal in my group, and let's see if we can be able to enter a trade on that signal. All right, so I want to enter this market. This market is called Theta USD. So I want to enter a short on this market. So it's already on cross mode and it's already on a 30x leverage, and I set it on the market price. Now I want to use about $3 of my money to enter the market. Now you can see, you can set your TP here given to you based on the signal, and you can set your SL here. Once you do that, it's a short trade. That is a sell. I want to enter the market on a sell, so I tap on short. If the signal says buy, which is long, you choose buy. If the signal says sell, which is short, you see sell. So I want to enter a short here, so I tap on short. Okay, order cannot be less than. Okay, let me use 50% of my balance. Short. You see, I've entered the market. Now, if you come to position here, position shows you your running trade. Now, look at my account now. It's already on a minus 1.6. You can see my percentage, and this place there shows you the dollar I have made or I have lost. You understand me? Now, you see, it's on plus 1.24% profit, and you can see I have already made $0.03. Now, this is the amount I used to enter, $2.48. So, if you have a good capital here, let's say if you have about $100 capital here now, this you see is now 4%. This 4% now is already at, this is 7%. It's already at $7 profit now if I'm using $100 to enter. So, when you use a big amount of money to enter the market, you make good money. The same thing when you are losing, you also lose big money. So you need to understand your risk management and stick to your signals. As a newbie, stick to signals. Signals helps you. You understand me? Now, don't forget to put your stop loss and take profit. Now, when you are placing a trade, if you didn't have the time, to put your stop loss and take profit. There's no problem. You can equally come back to your position and set it here. It can come, this is your open position, you can come to TP and SL. You understand me? You tap on it. When you tap on it, you see position TP SL. You can tap on it and you can put your TP, you can put your SL. You understand? When you put your TP here, the moment the trade hits your TP, it's going to give you, see the profit you're supposed to make. When you put your SL, it will show you the loss you're supposed to make at the end of the day. So all these things are found in the signal. All right, so this is it. You can also tap on this share icon, this little share icon here, to share the progress of your trade. You can share the progress of your trade to people or in your signal group. Now if you come to wallets and you come to funding, you can see that your balance increases here. Your balance increases here. You can see it, your account balance increases here. When you make profit finish, you can equally transfer it from here back to spot trading, and you can sell your profit to anybody that wants to buy. So this is where I'll be stopping, showing you some of the amazing features of futures trading and how to place trade on it using signals. So feel free, if you have any question, drop your question below this video and I'll attend to it as soon as possible. Thank you, and thank you for your time.